Now it's time for the flour under the carpet test. More specifically, the flour under the medium pile flow-through Mohawk carpet test. On the left, we have about a 1970, it's kind of hard to date this machine, dual Sanitronic 80. And on the right, we have an LG, that's right, the makers of washers, dryers, and cell phones, Kompressor LUV200R from about 2010. So there's around a 40-year difference between the machine on the left and the machine on the right. The machine on the right does about 55 CFM with the filters cleaned and has a really low CFM density because of a very large brush roll opening. CFM density is less than 2. The machine on the left has a very high CFM density because it has a much smaller brush roll opening. Think about like over 5.5, like maybe 5.6. Around 124 or so CFM with this machine completely refurbed. So let's see, what machine is going to get flour from underneath the carpet better? I wonder. One of those new tech versus old tech. Oh, and the LG draws over 1500 watts, and this one draws about 600 watts. Do my best to get about the same amount of flour on both sides. Alright, that seems to be about close enough. I got a little bit of a blob right there. A little more over there. There we go. Close enough. We'll do 2 full cycles, see what happens. Obviously, filters and bin completely clean here, and since this is known as a carpet shredder, you may even find some carpet fibers in there. Alright, let me check my focus. That looks pretty good. Let's try the LG first, then we'll check the bin. Take a close-up look at the bin, and it's a perfect score. Absolutely not a thing. So I hope you can see that. See if I got a better focus here. Yeah. So I'm doing this in 4K. So absolutely nothing. Zippo. Put this one off to the side. Let's go ahead and use the very old but super shiny dual Sanitronic 80. Yep, position 3. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at what's left underneath the carpet. I'll grab the camera so we can examine closer. So what we have here for the LG is definitely, well, a lot of it's still there, and a lot of carpet backing clogging. Did it drag any? No, it didn't appear to drag very much. All right, let's take a look at Dual Sanitronic 80. Most of the flour is gone. There's still some remnants there. It's got very soft bristles, and there's a little bit of carpet clogging. So what do you think of that? Old tech versus new tech. High power and high suction compared to low power and low suction. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.